Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Literature Academy. In this tutorial, I will explore some of the qualities of a good student. If you find these qualities in yourself, then you are a good student. And if you do not have these qualities, then you can develop your qualities by watching this complete tutorial. Being a good student is not just about academic achievements. It's a combination of skills, attitudes, and habits that help individuals succeed in learning and beyond. As educators, parents, and mentors, we strive to instill these qualities in students to prepare them for success in school and in life. So, what makes a good student? Let's explore the essential qualities that can help students reach their full potential. First quality of a good student is quest of knowledge. A good student always go to get more and more knowledge. He always seek for knowledge and try to get a knowledge from teachers, parents, and from many other instructors. Second quality of a good student is punctuality. A good student always give importance to the time and he always follow his timetable and he does not waste his expensive time. Third quality of a good student is hardworking and determination. A good student always work hard for achieving his goals and he makes a quality of trying to do or achieve something that is difficult to achieve. Fourth quality of a good student is ethics. A good student always know about that what is wrong and what is right, and he always keeps a good behavior. He always give respect to the elders, teachers, parents, and all other people. He always maintain his ethics. Fifth quality of a good student is obedient. A good student always to be an active mind and comprehensive and understand easily all the things and always focus on study and continuing his topics. Sixth good quality of a student is truth and sympathy. A good student always speaks the truth and hates to tell a lie. He always polite and happy with others. Seventh good quality of a student is developing reading habit. A good student used to read novels, books, newspapers, and so on. And he know about other culture, history. He always get a lot of knowledge through reading. He read books on daily basis for developing reading habit and for getting more and more knowledge. Eighth good quality of a student is take responsibility. A good student always take responsibility of their acts. He build his character to serve better after completion of his rules. Ninth good quality of a student is avoiding irrelevant activities. A good student always avoid to waste his expensive time in irrelevant activities. He always do good in knowledgeable activities. He always avoiding to unfair in exams. He always avoid to do cheating in exams. He always study with the best and good way for passing his exams. 10th and last habit of good student is asks right question. A good student always asks the relevant and the right question for to clarify his knowledge. And if you find all of these activities in yourself, then you are a good student. You can achieve your goals easily.